My people, I salute you now. I decided to make this video with pidgin because the time don't come we will forget grammar. We'll begin to talk pidgin so that everybody, both the young and the old, go hear, go know what we dey talk about. This referendum thing they are talking about now, this Igbo referendum they are talking about, to me, it's not going to be for only the Igbos alone. It's going to be for the whole country. I'll make I still break them down. This referendum where they talk about, not be for Igbos alone, now for everybody for this country. Now it will be time come when we go ask the big question. Lord Lugard, when he joined that country together, he right when he joined the country together, who he asked before he joined the north and the west and the south side and the southeast together by force, will make us the suffer today. Eh? Because as I talk to Nana, I dey verse. Me, I like Nigeria, I love everybody. But the way things they go for Nigeria now, way Babu the monkey they work, Babu the chop. Me, I not can understand. This nepotism, me, I not understand. Where one tribe, one region will feel superior, where other tribe will feel inferior. Which kind of country be that one? As I dey young, so I dey verse. I dey verse. If you want to know what they make me the verse, they say. Few days ago, I had a year said the northern you say that they issued me not be Igbo at all. Me not from South South. They said that they issued the Igbo a quick notice, made them leave their life. You know how many houses? I don't care whether they be Shushan or whether they get man, whether they be $10 or where those southeast. You know how many houses we full our south. You know how many states this south. You know how many houses we they don't matter where they even born there. They live. We don't hear say we fight them one day. You know how many houses were there for Yoruba? I mean, there for the south west. It good know they talk the truth. If the Igbos they agitate for their freedom, what they can concern youth to the issue Igbos make them come out for their place. They don't do the referendum where they talk. Anytime Igbo talk about say they want go do their own, they want come out for this Nigerian nonsense. Una they threaten them with war, say una keep their father before, una keep their family before. Why you go threaten people like that? Now by force to live together. Huh? Me are the verse. Because my father said something. He said, you see, as we did for South, the only position where would they tell our children say they feel grow to become in Nigeria. Now from governor you need to. You don't ever see any South person go, they tell the people, say, don't worry, do well, you will become president. Where you want to become president? That nonsense be, which kind of nonsense be that? We don't want to speak grammar today. That's why I want to just break them down. I want to just break them down so that old people, mama, papa, all of them, they go hear what they talk about. Me not be Igbo, not be say they support to divide the country, but to set things right. One idiot, some Yoruba juice laws, some Yoruba will believe in this party APC thing. They see the truth now. They don't change everything to political. Then they ask me, say, why the Igbo they agitate for their country now? Why be saying Nana Buhari? You don't give a shit whether Buhari be the president, Igbo they agitate for. You ask yourself why they create the Islamic Boko Haram. Take destroy another man country before, another man government before. You don't ask yourself that one. You don't ask yourself why they create Islamic, why they not they kill the way they kill before now. Not be the same army, not be the fight at that time during Jonathan government. Why they not be the same Buhari talk say they go make the government ungovernable. The way things go for during Jonathan time, not make them ungovernable. But we face the fact, not that we begin to tell ourselves the truth. Things not go right. We not go get peace for this country. We fight our civil war so that we go become one. Then we will share this country with one love. Now we fight civil war. Now we unite together 1970 so that we go do things normal. Everybody get your own right. Since 1970 to this time, Hausa don't produce 9 presidents. How many presidents Igbo don't produce? From 1970 up to today. It is 47 years. They never even produce anything. One Nigeria for what? This stupid youth where they give Igbo notice where they come out. You know how many your leaders will get oil well for South? If the oil there for not, they go green anybody go talk for them. When I never divide the country go. This will not be 1967, when I just think say every nation. And not be alone and fight these Igbo people that time. South joined fight the fight too. Southwest joined fight the fight too. Others Middle Belt joined. I'm not notice say this one in 2017, where say everybody go down unite, take kill the Igbos for NATO to remain in power like that. If people go, the South people then get voice for Nigeria again. If people should come up for Nigeria now, the Yorubas go. Not only this Hausa, I need this Nigeria because they know that they benefit heavily from it. Which kind of nonsense be this one? Where person not go fit talk again? Every time I use person don't use oppression. Person don't use oppression. If people say, when I go for referendum, we all know say, look, now the truth at the top. I know say not be all answers or not, and I support this quick notice where this not you they give. But we they take this thing out like this because we know say these people they meet business. Where they, as they talk now the evil way they go do, now they plan. We say we be one Nigeria a few 2 to 3 years ago. Now they beheaded one woman there. They say insult one prophet will come from Saudi Arabia. Who give a shit? When I not remember say now sister woman be this one. Now kill her. Now to kill. Why una God not come kill? Me I'm not trying to insult in my religion. I don't when I say one Nigeria. If person insult or whoever una say insult say disrespectful. Make una call the police. Make una tell them. Make police carry and go court. Ask them. You insult this social thing. I mean this social prophet. No, una not get right to kill her. The other day, that's one I kill another one for Abuja. I'm not saying we the South are not perfect. I'm not saying that Igbo not perfect. Everybody get their own problem. But what I'm trying to say, me this oppression, where would they do for Nigeria? I don't too much. Me or not feel stay when they be say that they oppress people like that. Because me, I know that somebody from my tribe, I've never been president. I've never been vice president for that Nigeria. We not cry. We dey. That will not stop me to become who I will become. Not will stop me. I will still be who I will be. But the truth, maybe they talk the truth. That country belongs to everybody. The only Northerners rule from 1966 till 1999. Calculate the years we did there. That's almost 27, 28 years. One president will give another one, the other one will give another one. The moment when power change from when Yar'Adua died, we all see what the Northerners they do. We all see what the statement where them Boko Haram talk say they not go green if they make Christians they rule them. I will sure say Babangida if if Buhari rule finish or if power stay for not for 8 years, if Christian whether Boko Haram not go start killing again. Is more gonna call this country if not to cut them everybody get peace. More not go do now Islamic State. More not go do now if not to cut the oil for Niger Delta. Make una carry go. We need peace. The day when for inside Quran they not write and say we must share the same country. So when the word says the more we go, people begin first. Some stupid Yorubas will just take this thing too personal. We not go fight for our own Ododuwa. Ododuwa Republic. No, fight for your own Ododuwa Republic. Eh? Everybody knows say the reason why the Igbo they do this agitation say they need their own country. Not be say they forbid the South or they forbid the South. Now they don't want to live with the. It is clear say they don't want to live with the North. They what in Yoruba can put for head for. When you go to social media, you see the Yoruba go they see the same thing they cause the Igbo as if say Igbo trouble them. What Igbo do you? Eh? Me not be Igbo, but now the truth now they talk. My father tell me what he approved for Biafra. He said how police go, soldier go stop boss. They go ask and say if we say you not be Igbo, speak the tribe where you any tribe where you belong, speak the tribe. Maybe they tell you say you not be Igbo. They say if you not sabi speak and they say you people don't go kill the president. They say dog, pig go come and hit people for streets.